Issued Sunday, May 17, 2026. Source: NWS Storm Prediction Center, SPC. Short-range volatility, days 1 to 3. Day 1, Sunday, May 17th. Risk level: enhanced risk, level 3 of 5. Primary impact zones: eastern Nebraska, southeastern South Dakota, southwestern Minnesota, and northwestern Iowa. Technical setup: a tightening surface low over southeast Colorado is dragging a sharp dry line across western Kansas and Oklahoma. Deep Gulf moisture is surging northward, generating localized MLC-APE values between 2,500 to 3,500 J per kg ahead of an advancing cold front. Hazard progression: initial discrete supercells will develop by late afternoon near the triple point. Strong atmospheric veering with height will drastically expand low-level hodographs, making these initial discrete cells capable of producing strong tornadoes and very large hail. By mid to late evening, a strengthening low-level jet will force the storms to cluster into bowing linear complexes, transitioning the main hazard into a widespread damaging straight-line wind threat. Day 2, Monday, May 18th. Risk level: moderate risk, level 4 of 5. Issued primary impact zones: central and northeastern Kansas into far southeastern Nebraska, extending into southwest Iowa and northwest Missouri. Technical setup: the western upper-level trough takes on a sharp negative tilt as it emerges over the plains, accelerating large-scale ascent. Daytime heating will send temperatures into the mid to upper 80s, clashing with rich upper 60s to low 70s dew points. This creates an explosive environment with MLC-APE skyrocketing to 3,500 to 4,500 J/kg. Hazard progression: extreme instability paired with intense deep-layer vertical wind shear will support a highly volatile environment. Long, curved, low-level hodographs will maximize storm relative helicity, SRH. Supercells tracking along the warm front and dry line will be capable of producing intense, long-track tornadoes and destructive, gorilla-sized hail exceeding 2 to 3 inches in diameter. Day 3, Tuesday, May 19th. Risk level: slight risk, level 2 of 5. Primary impact zones: shifting eastward through the Mississippi Valley, Midwest, and trailing back southwestward into parts of the southern plains. Technical setup: the primary cold front will begin slowing down as it aligns parallel to the upper-level flow. Hazard progression: while isolated supercells remain possible early, the primary storm mode will be a massive, messy linear structure. This reduces the tornado threat slightly, but introduces a high probability of widespread damaging winds, widespread lightning, and flash flooding due to training storms dumping heavy rain over the same areas. Medium-range extended outlook, days 4 to 7. Days 4 and 5, Wednesday, May 20th to Thursday, May 21st. Regions: the Ohio Valley, Great Lakes, and stretching down to the central Gulf Coast. Forecast: the cold front pushes into a highly saturated warm air mass over the eastern U.S. Due to the high contrast boundary, a multi-state line of strong to severe thunderstorms is expected to march toward the eastern seaboard. The primary modes will be damaging straight-line winds and scattered severe hail. Days 6 and 7, Friday, May 22nd to Saturday, May 23rd. Regions: Central Plains, Southern Plains, Texas/Oklahoma, and the Southeast. Forecast predictability drops further out, but long-range ensemble models show secondary shortwave energy reloading over the Intermountain West. Southerly low-level flow will immediately open back up from the Gulf, reloading moisture into Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. This signals the potential for another multi-day severe convective cycle heading directly into the holiday weekend. Actionable safety and readiness guidance. When the Storm Prediction Center issues these specific categorical risks, your preparation and immediate action should scale to match the forecast severity. Marginal, slight, enhanced, moderate, high, isolated risk, scattered risk, organized risk, widespread risk, severe outbreak, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 1, marginal, and level 2, slight risks. What it means: severe storms are expected to be isolated or short-lived. While widespread destruction is unlikely, any single storm can still produce a brief tornado, damaging winds, or large hail. What you should do: 1. Check updates dynamically. Check your radar applications and local weather alerts at least twice during the afternoon. 2. Secure your property. Tie down light outdoor furniture, trash cans, and trampolines. High-base storms in lower risk categories can still produce microbursts or sudden wind gusts over 60 miles per hour. 3. Drive with caution. If traveling, maintain a firm grip on the steering wheel. Keep your headlights on and never drive through roads covered by standing water. Level 3, enhanced risks. What it means: a higher concentration of severe storms is expected, with structures capable of producing significant damage, intense tornadoes, and wind-wrapped hazards. What you should do: 1. Activate multiple alert layers. Ensure your smartphone's wireless emergency alerts, WEA, are turned on. Keep a dedicated weather monitoring device, such as an